In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram not sending code. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go into the Telegram account that you have on another device. If you have your Telegram account logged into another device, then you can do this method. So you want to open that account up on your other device, and from here go into settings, and now go into privacy and security. And now go into login email. And from here, you want to set up your email so that in this way, instead of sending a code into your phone number, Telegram would now send it into your email, and that would be the code for you to log in. So this would completely fix it if you're having trouble in receiving code on your phone number. However, if you are having trouble with the email and receiving that code from there, another thing that you could do is by tapping here again and tap on change email and try out a new email and see if that would fix the problem. If not, then chances are it is on the server of Telegram. Maybe Telegram is down for now. Or what you could do is that you could also update Telegram because it might be outdated on your case, and that is why it is not receiving or sending codes well. So what you need to do is go into App Store, and from here you want to make sure that Telegram is updated, like for example this one right here, which is this one, Telegram Messenger. So you want to make sure that you don't have the update button in here. And now another thing that you could do is that you could also do this on your Android. Basically the same process, it's just that you will be opening Play Store instead of App Store. Now, you could also update your OS. So you want to make sure that you have your software updated on your iOS or on your Android. And then once you've made sure of that it's not the problem, then we can proceed into checking your airplane mode, because chances are you have enabled it by chance. So you want to make sure that it is disabled, because it is gonna disable your network signal right there for your SIM or for your phone number, and that way you will not be able to receive any code. So make sure that you have checked that. So yeah, those are the ways that you can fix this on Telegram not sending code. Chances are, if you have done all of this and none of them work, then you can just come back at a later time and try it out again, because Telegram might just not be functioning well right now. So yeah, your last resort would be to wait it out. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.